On May 1st, Anchor's famous 20% APY had changed to 18%. This may have left a lot of users confused and a little bit worried about the future's platform. So in this video, I'm going to break it down a little bit to you what had happened that resulted to this change. But before we get into that, if you are new here, my name is Jed and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos and pretty much anything related to money. But right now I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfolds or you just want to show your support, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and also sharing this video. And with that out of the way, let's get back to the main thing. So this change was a direct result of Proposal 20, which was approved back in March 24. The proposal suggested a semi-dynamic earn rate for the platform so that it can move the protocol towards sustainability. Now, I briefly talked about this proposal back in my Anchor earnings video, which I am going to link down in the description below and also above this one. So first, let's talk about what is Proposal 20. Proposal 20 Tile Dynamic Earn Rate was a proposed update by user BitNA, and the proposal was given thought at the beginning of March in Anchor's forum. So here's a breakdown of Proposal 20 according to Anchor Protocol's Twitter account. So in its simplest form, the proposal involves two parameters on the earn side, and we'll break down each one. Frequency, how often the rate can change, and cap on rate adjustments, or how large the rate changes can be. Number one is frequency. To begin, the earn rate adjustment frequency will be 1 month, meaning that each month the protocol will adjust the rate based on yield reserve performance for that month. Examples will be given in the sections below. Second is cap on rate adjustments. The cap on rate adjustments is set at 1.5%, so the most it can increase or decrease each month is 1.5%. The rate adjustments will be positive or negative depending on if the yield reserve appreciated or depreciated that month. And here, Anchor Protocol gives 4 examples of rate adjustments. Number one is if the yield reserve increased by 1.5%, then the earn rate will also increase by 1.5%. Number two, yield reserve increases by 3%, then the earn rate will increase by 1.5%. If the yield reserve decreases by 1.5%, the earn rate also decreases by 1.5%. But if the yield reserve decreases by 7%, the earn rate will also decrease by 1.5%. So if you've noticed there, everything is just capped at 1.5%. No matter where the direction the yield reserve performance is going, whether it goes up or it goes down, the change will always be 1.5%. So there are some people who have raised concerns regarding these rate adjustments. What if the yield reserve performed really bad for that month and continued to decrease every month? Does that mean that the earn rate will also decrease by 1.5% each month? Now, the answer to that question is no. This new semi-dynamic has a floor and ceiling of 15% and 20%. So no matter which way the rate chain is going to go, it will never go beyond those parameters. So what is the cause of Proposal 20? In recent months, many Anchor fans have been worried about the platform's future, questioning the sustainability of the 20% earn rate. The total deposits have been growing faster than the total borrowed UST in the protocol, and this divergence is alarming to a lot of users because it could jeopardize the entire ecosystem if left unchecked. Now, one of the many factors that allow Anchor to provide their earn rate is through their interest they make from lending UST to other people. Basically, you can just think of a traditional bank where they lend out the money that people have deposited in their savings accounts. People borrow money because they have some need or they have some use for that money. However, at the moment, the only incentive that people have to borrow UST in Anchor Protocol is to get rewarded ANC tokens. With a drop of the ANC token price from $3 to $2, the question is, what is pushing people to borrow UST in Anchor? Unfortunately, the sad truth here is none that I can think of. So what do people think of this change? This change had garnered mixed reactions from many users. Many Anchor fans have praised the update, while others are doubtful that it will move Anchor towards mass adoption. Users who are for this move cite that sustainability and the utility of the token will push Anchor towards newer heights. People against this move, though, cite that the ANC token needs to be more useful. The lowering of the APY will become a stagnating factor towards Anchor's growth, and that the proposal being implemented right now is too soon, that it will become a detriment to Anchor's growth. So what does this mean for Anchor moving forward? While the drop in its APY is a big turnoff to many users, the future of Anchor is still up in the air. We really don't know how this will play out for the platform because many users have mixed mixed feelings about this. I do agree on some sentiments by those against this move because it does feel like we are making steps backwards towards mass adoption. However, if we do truly want to make Anchor a protocol that is sustainable, then the APY needs to change as well. I just don't think that 20% with its features right now and its offerings is sustainable. To be honest, it's very hard to pick a side because there are some good points on each. But as for me though, I am sticking with the platform because I still want to reap those gains from my savings account. But as for me though, I am sticking with the platform because I still want to get those extra gains in the meantime. While many are offering alternatives for higher stablecoin APYs such as those in Tron and Near and simply just ditch Anchor, then why not just add those new offers to your overall strategy? Now obviously I am not a financial advisor, so do not take this as financial advice, but I do believe that this is a better move and this is more feasible since you are depositing your stable coins that do not fluctuate much in price. No matter what the APY will be, the return will always be there without the fear of losing your deposit's value. Now, of course, that is if the UST doesn't depeg. And that is why Anchor Protocol has decreased their APY to 18%. If you have any questions regarding this issue, let me know in the comments below. I actually would love to learn about your opinions regarding this update. Are you for this move or are you against this move? And if so, let me know in the comments so that I can kind of like learn from you as well. Maybe there are some things that we have missed. I would love to learn about that as well. Anyway guys, if you like content just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share this video because that really helps out with the growth of this channel. If you are on Instagram, please add me there as a friend at DailyDread so that we can chat, collaborate, and maybe even exchange some ideas. Thank you again so much for watching the entire video. Have an awesome and wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!